Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI. And who knew you could be in love with a set of car mats? I didn't until I found this set from powoq. I am absolutely in love with the ease of installation and the ease of keeping my car clean. They were super easy, very straightforward to put in. Each mat is very easy to tell where it goes, and each piece fits perfectly where it belongs. I own a 2019 Honda CRV, and these mats fit every single nook and cranny to cover my carpets. I take my dog everywhere with me, and I am a dog sitter, so I needed something that was going to keep the interior of my car clean. And I was spending so much money and time at the car washes or vacuuming it out myself. I love that these mats are so durable. They are great quality, and I'm able to just vacuum them out if need be. So much easier than carpet. And if something does spill or get sticky, they're very easy to just wash out with the hose. The quality of the material is very high, so I'm not worried about them getting nicked up or damaged. I know that they're going to be durable. My favorite part by far is definitely the trunk mats. I haven't seen many sets that have this amount of coverage for the carpets. And the trunk mats not only cover the floor of the trunk, but also the backs of my seats when they fold down, which was so important to me with having a dog. The Velcro is really strong and keeps them in place, and I'm still able to fold my seats down easily without any problems. They lay nice and flat. So whether you struggle like me to keep everything clean, or you're a neat freak and you're really good about keeping your car impeccable, these mats from powoq are a perfect solution for anybody who owns a car. And that's my point of view.